Hello everyone, so this is the beginning stages of the toe art design we're going to be working on this week. The first thing I did was for my big toe, I painted brown on the tip with a nail polish by Clean Colors, and it's called Espresso number 58. The rest of my toes I painted with a turquoise or teal somewhat nail polish. And the one that I use is by Broadway Nails, and it's called Mr. Right. And I applied 2 coats of that over my toe. For my big toe, I only applied 1 coat of the espresso on. So the rest of the nail art design, I will be hand painting. This design is really difficult to hand paint on my own toes, but I'm going to try it anyway. The nail polish that the paint that I'll be using, the colors, is somewhat like a khaki or beige paint. And that's basically the only paint I will be using. The rest of the design, you will see me when I use brown, I'll be using the same brown nail polish that I use. And I'm also going to apply a stripe across the toe art design across the French manicure. I'm going to be using the same turquoise nail polish that I used on the rest of my toes to do that with. So that's basically the only color that I will be using. It's a little bit difficult to do on my own toes because it's hard to be at an angle where I can actually paint, but I'm going to try to do my best, the best that I can on my toes. And excuse my voice, I'm still a little bit under the weather. I'm still dealing with a lot of sinus drainage and everything. So just excuse the way I sound. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So that is basically it for this toe design. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.